Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial from Gameplay Classic. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can join a custom game room on the Brawlhalla game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Brawlhalla game on your device, and once you are taken into the homepage, you will see various options at the left. You can click on Custom Game Room, which will now take you into the Custom Game Room page. Here you can now join a room if you have a room number. When you click on this, you will be prompted to enter the number of the room. Just type in the number and click on the join button, and you will join the game room right away. If you don't already have a room number for a custom game room that you wish to join, then you can also click on the Browse Rooms option. Here you will see various different custom game rooms that have been created by various users. Just click on whichever game room you wish to join, and this will pair you with the game team right away. You can now start playing by joining the team. So there you have it. That is how easy it is to join a custom game room on the Brawlhalla game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.